At Achievan, we have developed an all-in-one solution that includes a modular application approach for you to run, manage, and scale your multi-unit business with an end-to-end solution. Our solution includes module required for the entire process, right from lease to or build, open, and operate your locations using Monday.com. This solution also provides the ability to track location prospect and construction portfolio. In our demo today, we will see how leaders and team members use Monday.com to plan, manage, report, and automate their work. First, we will see how dashboard empower team members to focus on work that matters most. Next, we will see an end-to-end workflow of location prospect and construction site schedule creation. This will demonstrate the power of Monday.com of receiving data from multiple sources using workflow to manage actions and approval and reporting to inform, track, and take decisions. Then you will observe how, through simple automation, a franchisee onboarding workflow can be triggered. Once the franchisee is onboarded, then they themselves can manage and operate the site with their own standalone boards and workflows. We will then look at how sites can manage their business from managing service request and communication from HO. So let's get started. This is a visual representation of data called dashboard. This one-pager brings together all facets of your multi-unit business in one easy-to-understand and presentable view. Dashboard can provide the ability to drill down and filter data in real time. And as a business owner, you can see this live view to understand the state of the union of your business and make timely decisions. This dashboard includes various facets of multi-unit business, from location prospect information to competitor analysis, and even age and income demographics. It also shows site construction schedule and construction status. Let's now look at the various modules that feed into this dashboard. First, we will look at a collection of data for location prospect. Collection of data in Monday is called a board. Board can be filtered and then managed by adding views. Users can input data directly into the board or use a form-based approach to submit the location prospect. In this use case, we have few location prospects to buy or lease in the store pipeline group. These requests have been completed using the form-based approach. Once the location is shortlisted, it goes through an automated workflow. You can also see different data elements related to this particular location, like average annual income, age demographics, average family size, closest competitor, which are required to take decision and shortlist the location. All these components are fairly flexible and easily configured and customized within Monday.com. Now I'm going to change the status of this location to shortlisted. It can be simply flipped using a status that Monday.com provides. Now that this location has been shortlisted depending on various data elements here, it will automatically move to the construction portfolio board, and depending on buy or lease, we can also manage all documentation and collaborate with internal and external stakeholder in real time. Construction portfolio has site locations which are in progress and that are already launched. You can see here the location which we shortlisted in our previous workflow. It's automatically come here in the in progress bucket. Once you are ready to start working on the construction site, you will simply change this construction schedule status to launch, and which will create the schedule board for this particular location, and it will also place the link to that particular board in this link to schedule column. And by clicking on that link, you can access the newly created board for managing that particular site. And let me show you the demo of that. So once you know that you are ready to work on this construction schedule, you will simply change this status to launched. In a second, this location will move to another bucket, open location bucket, and the link, as I mentioned before, link of this particular board will be placed here in link to schedule. I can click on this link and open that schedule board in the site tab. So as you can see, this integration has also taken the name of that location into consideration, and also so now my board read as location construction schedule. The project managers can then manage all the sites, keeping all the notes contextually within the project boards, so that all the information about the project can be kept in one single source. All the milestone from this construction board can roll up to the portfolio to give high level view of status of all construction site. As you can see, all these construction site has these timeline and all these statuses. And I'm going to my portfolio board so you can see all the statuses and all the timelines are already rolled up here. So this is the planned timeline which is rolling up from this particular board. Also the number of tasks which are completed. If I completed a few more tasks, that also gets rolls up here as a completed. As you can see, the completed number of tasks is increased to now 71%. Project manager can communicate with their team by simply clicking here on this conversation bubble. From here, they can interact with their team members. Also, they can send the email right from here rather than going to another toolbox. We can also integrate your Outlook inbox, Outlook or Gmail inbox on this board so that you can send the necessary communication right from here to all your stakeholders. Once construction gets completed, using a similar workflow, you can also create a store opening checklist from your portfolio board. Just like construction schedule status, you also have the store opening checklist status. Once I change this to launched, another board will be created here and the link will be placed in this column. And I'm going to that board now. And this is a store checklist which is specific to that location, as you can see. Head office can also manage the franchisee application through its various stages, keeping all the notes within the application kept in one single source. Head office can shortlist the applications and send offer using email and activity within monday.com. Upon the acceptance of the offer, franchisee onboarding workflow will automatically create new franchisee onboarding board. As I'm accepting offer for this, automatically a franchising board will be created for this particular applicant. It will also take into the consideration the site location name. So as you can see, this has taken into consideration the site location and also the applicant's name. And now the board has been created here for their franchisee onboarding. In this board, you will see some tasks assigned to the franchisee with a particular status, which the franchisee can then manage on their own. We also have a site staff recruitment module. Resource request can be submitted, and once approved, the job listing can be embedded into various job boards. Now, once the candidate applies for these positions, the information will appear in this recruitment board. Recruiters can then manage the application through its various stages by sending the offers to the selected candidate right from monday.com using email and an activity app. As you can see, the candidate's email is automatically populated here. We can also save several templates here to respond to that particular candidate. Branch also gets access to my site landing page. Team members can see all frequently used forms, upcoming promos, or any important events which are coming up. Head office also gets the communication board to push any upcoming promos they may have or announcements to the branch. When any unit makes a service request, those requests can be submitted using service ticket form, and they can be shown in easy to manage head office service ticket board. This is where head office team members can manage, respond, and track to all the requests, providing a smooth and the timely resolution to all the queries. To see a detailed demo, you can contact our team by visiting our website www.achievan.com or via email curious@achievan.com or by calling us at our toll-free number. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to hearing from you.